In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Jotform table. This useful guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy for you to print the necessary submissions directly from your Jotform account. So let's dive right in. To get started, we will need to visit the official Jotform website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Jotform, or you can directly type in www.jotform.com into your browser's address bar. Upon reaching the website, you will be greeted by its clean and user-friendly interface, designed to make your form building and managing experience as smooth as possible. The next step is crucial: logging into your account. Look for the login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the Jotform homepage. Clicking on it will bring up the login options. Jotform offers multiple ways to log in, for instance using Google. This versatility is perfect if you have your account linked to Google or any other platform, making the login process faster and more secure. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to the My Forms section. This area of the website is where all your form magic happens. Here you'll find a list of all the forms you've created or have been shared with you. It's a hub for managing your forms, viewing submissions, and yes, printing your data. Finding the form whose submissions you wish to print is your next task. Browse through your form list and locate the one you're interested in. Each form has a More option located next to it. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu that offers several actions you can perform. One of these actions is Submissions. Clicking on Submissions will take you to a page where you can view all the entries that have been submitted through your selected form. As you explore the submissions page, you'll notice how Jotform neatly organizes all the submissions into a comprehensive table. This table is what we're interested in printing. Look for the submission you wish to print. You can easily spot it by browsing through the entries or using the search functionality if you're working with a lot of data. Upon finding the specific submission, click on the View option. This action will open the submission in a more detailed view, allowing you to closely inspect the submission's contents and ensure it's the right one you're after. Now for the final step, printing your Jotform table. On the detailed submission view page, keep an eye out for the print icon. This is usually represented by a printer symbol. Clicking on this icon will trigger your browser's print dialog box. It's here that you can configure your print settings according to your needs. You can select the printer you want to use, decide on the number of copies, and adjust other settings such as the layout and color options. Before hitting the print button in your dialog box, make sure to preview your document. This preview feature is incredibly helpful as it gives you one last look at what you're about to print, ensuring that everything is in order and exactly how you want it. Once you're satisfied with the preview, go ahead and click the Print button in the dialog box. Your printer will then spring into action, producing a physical copy of the Jotform table you selected. And there you have it, a straightforward way to print a table from your Jotform submissions. This guide is designed to simplify the process, whether you're printing a table for record keeping, analysis, or any other purpose. Remember, the ability to directly print your data from Jotform not only saves you time, but also ensures that your information is presented clearly and accurately. Make sure to explore the various features Jotform offers to make your form management experience as productive as possible. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to replay this video if you need to go over any steps again. Happy printing!